Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Actually, I am recording this video to show you something tricky and special or important for us. Maybe it will be helpful for you. That's why I'm recording this. So what actually today when I was working, I faced a problem, a little and tricky problem that I could not try to solve. What is that problem actually? I have a data set. I had a data set in Excel actually. Like this is the actual data set. Okay, this is actual data set. So if you look at it has many more actually. If we count usually 58 variables, columns, and 152 rows actually. Okay, 153 actually or 152. Okay. So what is the task actually? The task is it convert into a SPSS file. So first what I did, I just opened the SPSS and copy this. How I copied this. Just and the thing is, these are the actually variable labels, not the variable name. So this is not now our concern. What I did actually, I just copy all the values. How? Uh, just Control Shift then right arrow key then the down arrow key. All are selected with the values. Then I just Control C. Okay. Then what I did, I make it to the I take it to the SPSS and new sheet file and paste it, and then I get this something kind of okay. So what I get actually, look, I get I got this kind of okay, this kind of scenario. Okay, I hope you are seeing this. So look, actually these are not properly or okay. Look, there is all the values are above 400, but in our real dataset there are 152. So just copy and paste is not work. It's not work. So what I did next, then I again go there. Okay, then what I did, I just copied this and into a new sheet, I copy all the values, just values, paste as values. Okay, you know that option, paste as values. So all these things are here. Then again I tried this manually and this time I tried one column and then other column, one by one. But again I faced some problems that it's not good. It was like some kind of like this. Okay, so actually I was not able to do to convert it perfectly. So then I think why don't we try it? I tried in R. Then what I did, I gone into R, and then what I did actually first I cleared all the things here. Okay, now it's also empty. This is it was a so what I did actually. I did it in three steps, mainly two steps. First, I loaded the data from Excel to R, then convert then some did some things in the data frame, just did variable names, and then I again convert it to SPSS files. So if you look at first I have to load this library with Excel for loading the Excel files. So here from the XLS files I just copied, take the data sheet, I mean this with the only values. Okay, then what I did, column false. I did this column false because if we see that there is no column name actually. I did not take that. I just took values. So if I now run this, I'll get all the values. Now what I can do, uh, I can see all the data set actually here. Now you can see that I got all the data here, but there's a problem. What kind of problem? Suppose now I want to if I convert into spaces, let me show you. Uh, so, so here actually I did one thing. I don't know even how to convert R file to spaces. I just did actually Google R to SPSS convert R to SPSS convert in R. Then I read these some things, some pages, and I got this easy, easy code. Okay, this is very easy code. Library heaven. Then this code did all the things. Okay, but what I was talking actually that if I just after loading this data, if I now do this, I may want to make it convert in SPSS, we'll find an error. Why? Because the column names, look, 1, 2, 3, these are not the valid SPSS variable names. So what we did here, we changed the column names of the data. How? We here what we did, we take a string var and add it with some. If we run this that code, what we'll get 1 to 58. Why? Because first we check this, there are 58 columns. Okay, so if I now run these call names of data and then view data, so what we'll get? Look, now all the column names are variable 1, variable 2, variable 6. It will be variable 58. Okay, now our columns datasets columns names are valid. Now usually we can do, if we do like, if you run this code, okay, then we'll get a data set. And how the data set looks like, if we go here and we'll find this. So actually here, look here, now the data set, if we check, it's now 152. That means it's perfect. And one thing I did here then, look, these are actual value and we make it at level, give value levels. How? We go, I just go there, then here just in one values I manually impute them and then copy and paste all the things. Okay, this is the main thing actually. So what was the topic of this video actually? First, we tried from Excel to SPSS, it does not work in different ways, but it does not work. Then we take R as a middle point. Okay, that means from Excel to R, then R to SPSS, and now we find our desired data set. That is from Excel to SPSS VR. I hope you like this, and this little could actually help and did a lots of work and make it easy, because when I tried to read it manually, it took a lot of time, but it took a lot of times here, but it did not work properly. Okay, but in R we did it just in few lines of code and it just worked perfectly. So I hope you like this video, and please like uh, comment if you have any problem, if you do not understand what I discussed in this video. Thank you very much, and it is my first attempt. I hope you will pardon my mistakes. Thank you very much actually.